All right, so let's see what's happening here. So you see the screwdriver goes between here, and then you pry forward. That will bring the, and this is gonna go back that way. All right. I've been struggling with this for a while. All right, so that's where it is. Let's try now. Do that. You pry forward. I was messing with this for a while, so I probably mess it up a little bit, but let's see. Okay, so you see that came off. So, see, that comes off now. This was a struggle for a couple hours messing with this. I didn't want to break nothing. All right, so I'm gonna show how to, okay, I'll put the handle back on. Put that in here, just like, you put that back, you bring it down here, and then you push forward. So that locks it into place. Okay, so when you to remove this, after you remove that, you unscrew here, you remove this. This sucker is a pain to take off, so I struggled for a good while before I got the trick. So here is the trick. From the inside, this will be on the inside. So I just took it out so you could see, I could show this. You see here, you have to pry this. This is part of the handle, this piece here. So I just use a screwdriver, pry this. You see that slide out. You see? It came out. So let me put it back in. Okay. See that? So I'm gonna put the screwdriver in between here, and you go forward with that. You see? It move. So now I could take it out. Yeah. This is a 2021 Nissan Rogue. All-wheel drive. So this is how it goes. So very easy. After more than an hour struggling, so put it back in there, lock it back in, and then you come here, you will see this move when I pry. So that moves. You see that? It moves. Then you could come out and pull it out. It doesn't come out that easy, It's not easy, boy. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's how you take the handle off. It took a minute to get it, but so I got it out without breaking anything. Okay, so I'll see you guys for the next one. If you like what you see, subscribe, and ask questions, and we'll wait for the next video. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching.